after the legendary Pocket 3, DJI is back. The Osmo Pocket 4 is here and it's smaller than you think but way more powerful. Let's see if it's worth the upgrade. Inside the box you get the Pocket 4, USB-C cable, mounting accessories and depending on the combo, extra like a mic, mini tripod or wide angle lens. The design stays compact and minimal but with subtle upgrades. 3-axis gimbal stabilization, magnetic mounting system, dedicated zoom plus custom buttons. This camera uses a 1-inch sensor delivering excellent dynamic range and low light performance. And here's the biggest upgrade: 4K slow motion at up to 240 fps. DJI signature 3-axis gimbal is still the star of the show. Now with improved air tracking, it locks into subject better than ever. You get a rotating OLED touchscreen with improved UI and faster navigation. Landscape plus vertical shooting, quick zoom control, customizable buttons. One of the biggest change, built-in storage up to 100 GB plus, and battery also improved, giving longer shooting session. In real world use, this camera shines. Travel friendly, quick to start shooting, better low light results, discreet compared to phones. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros number 1, ultra compact and portable. Pros number 2, excellent stabilization. Pros number 3, 4K 240 fps slow motion. Pros number 4, built-in storage. Pros number 5, great for solo creator. Let's talk about cons. Cons number 1, not a huge upgrade over Pocket 3. Cons number 2, no interchangeable lens, standard version. Cons 3, built-in storage may limit flexibility. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 isn't revolution, but it's a serious refinement. If you are blogger, travel or content creator, this might be the best pocket camera you can buy right now. So, would you upgrade to the Pocket 4? Comment below and subscribe for more.